Hi guys, welcome to my channel Get CSE Preparation. Last video I taught you like scope of variable for get, also scope for get. So in this video we will solve like 3 to 4 questions on scope of variable. Okay, so guys, please like my channel. So if you want give any suggestion, please give me suggestion in comment section. So I will improve this. I will improve further. So guys, let's start. Okay. Okay. First example. This is the example one. We have to solve it using static scoping. Correct. So here there is a count equal to 50 void main void fun1 method printf void point fun2 function there is fun1 function int main this way. So now we'll solve. Okay, so okay, first we have to int count equal to 50. So this is the global variable. Correct. So now we have to maintain one stack. Correct. So first int main function one method is calling, that is fun2 method. This is stack. Okay, so it is calling from where? It is calling from main method. Correct. This method is calling from where? Main method. So fun2 method. So inside fun2 method, correct. So inside fun2 method there is a variable count equal to 20. This is 20. This is count. Fun1 method. Fun1 method. Fun1 method is, this method is fun2 method is calling here. This is fun2 method. Correct. This is fun2 method. Correct. See, this is stack. Fun2 method is calling from main function. This is fun2 method. This is main method block. Here we are calling fun2 method. Correct. This block is for fun2. Fun2 method count equal to 20. Here also we are calling fun1 method. Now, correct. Now in fun1 method, what is telling? Printf in fun1 equal to percentile d count. So we have to print count. Correct. So here we have to print count. So we have to solve it using static scoping. What I told in previous video, in static scoping, first we have to search in the current block. Fun1 method. Correct. Fun1 method we have to print the count. But in fun1 method, is there any variable count which is declared? No. Correct. There is no variable declared with count. So in static if it is not found in current block, then we go for global variable. In Is there in global variable? Yes, there is a global variable, that is count. Count equal to 50. So it will now print 50. Correct. So what is the output? Output is 50. This is the answer. So if you want, so okay, how I am solving this question? First we have to go step by step. First we have to int count equal to 50. Correct. Declare global variable. Void fun method, void fun2 method, int main. So I this is main method block. Main method block we are calling fun2 method. So fun2 method calling here. So fun2 method block is here. Int count equal to 20. Fun1 method. Fun2 method we are calling fun1 method. This is fun1 method block. Correct. This is fun1 method block. Here it is telling printf fun1 equal to percentile d count. So here count, we see in fun1 method we have to print the statement, but count is not declared here. So in static scoping, first it will search for the current block. If it is not found there, then it will search for global variable. If it is the, so in global variable it is 50 there, so it will go, so it will put that value here and print that. So output is 50. So similar type of question, we have to solve this using dynamic scoping. Example 2. Now we have to solve it using dynamic scoping. So count, this is count 50. Correct. Now we have to make one stack. This is stack. So int main we have to make, so this is the main method. Correct. This is the main method block. So this is the main method block. Here we are calling fun3 method. So it is calling here, this is fun3 method. Correct. This is fun3 method. So here one variable is there, that is 30. That is, it is count is there. Okay, wait, sorry guys. So guys, then count equal to 30. This is 30, this is count. One variable is there, the count 30. So now we are calling fun2 method. This is actually fun3 method block. Now here we have to another method. Correct. Fun1 method. Fun2 method, we now here in fun2 method block. Fun2 method block. Now we are calling fun1 method. Correct. So in this is fun1 method. Fun1 method block. Fun1 method, it is printf count. Now we have to print that count. Okay, this count is different. So this count is global variable. So this count we have to find in fun1 method. See, now okay, we have to solve it using dynamic scoping, correct? In dynamic scoping, what it will do? First, it will search for the in current block. Fun1 method, is there any variable with count declared? No. So if it is not there for dynamic scoping, then we have to see successively all the calling block where that fun1 method is called. Fun1 method, see, this fun1 method, this is fun1 method block. Count is, we have to print that count. When fun1 method it is not there, so where it is called, it is called from fun2 method, correct? It is called from fun2 method. But in fun2 method, now it will see, in fun2 method, is there any variable with count? No. So now it will, where fun1 method is called, see, fun1 method is called it from fun2. In fun2 there is no variable with count. So now it will go, so fun2 method where it is getting called, see, from fun3, fun2 is getting called. So now it will go to fun3 method. When it is in fun3, then it is finding that there is a variable count whose value is 30, correct? There is a variable count whose value is 30. So that value it will print, so count equal to 30. So in output, what is the output? So output, it will be fun1 equal to 30. Okay, now I think you understood. Okay, now I think you understood this question. First of all, we have to declare global variable. If we are declaring global variable, so first we have to maintain one stack. In stack, we have to go step by step. First, we have to main method block. We are pushing that fun3 method. Fun3 method, while going to fun3 method, there is in that block, it is declared one variable count 30, then it is calling fun2 method. This is fun3 method block. This is main method block. When fun3 method, so fun3 method, fun2 is getting called. So fun2 method, this is fun2 block. Here we are calling fun1 method. So in when go to fun1 method, it is there is a printf statement count. So we have to print that count. But there is no variable declared with that count. If, see, means if there is an variable int count equal to 40, then it will immediately print 40, but it is no variable inside that fun1 method. So for dynamic scoping, first we have to see the current block. If there is no variable in the current block, then it will, then what it will do, it will search for the successively calling block where fun1 method is getting called. Fun1 method is getting called from fun2. In fun2 method also it is searching if there is any variable with count variable. No, it is not there. So now it will successively where fun2 is getting called. Fun2 is getting fun3. Fun3, it now it will search, is there in variable with count? Yeah, it is there. So if it is there, then it will print that 30. Okay, I think you got understanding about this question. So guys, I solved two questions. Okay, now it is your turn. You have to solve this question. Solve it using static and dynamic scoping. So okay, so I will giving answer. So if you will solve it using static scoping, output is 5. If you solve it using dynamic scoping, output should be 30. So please guys, solve this question. If you have any doubt in this question, then please comment in the comment section. So I will make a separate video for this. Okay. So guys, I think you will solve this question. Please try this question to solve this, because it is very important question also. So guys, please solve this question. I think from you have to understand only that concept, static scoping and dynamic scoping. That only that short concept, static scoping. We have to first you have to search the current block. If it is not there, find the global variable. If global variable is not there, then we have to search for the successively smaller scopes or blocks. For dynamic scoping, first you have to search in the current block. If there is no variable in the current block, then you have to successively search for the all the calling methods. Okay, this is the shortest logic I have given to you. Please guys study it properly and solve this question. If you have any doubt, then please give comment in the comment section, so that I will make one separate video for this. But you have to try this question first. Okay guys, thank you for this video, and please subscribe and like my channel.